Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can share a conversation or thread from your account on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your account on Consensus app, and then guys, navigate to the given conversation. Here on the left hand side I will go with this one here, what is the size of the moon, just for the sake of this tutorial. And each conversation has this button in the top right? So what you want to do is click into it. And then the invitation link to the entire thread will be copied to your clipboard. You can also use that button here again, so that you may share it, for example, with your academic peers, for instance. And what you want to do also, guys, is make sure that the thread visibility, that you set the visibility right here, for example, private to public. If you keep it on private, only you will be able to access and view the given conversation, regardless of the question if you share that invitation link. So if you'd like to give your peers the access to the given thread, you will need to switch to public here, right? So that it may be visible to anyone with access to the link. There's also the option to share the given thread on X, for example, by clicking into that button. And that's the second option, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.